MiX Insight is the business intelligence platform developed by MiX Telematics to meet our customers' current and future reporting and analysis requirements. It resides on top of a data warehouse and we deliver it via the browser. MiX Insight is different from our standard reporting tool in a number of ways. The first way is it's fun to use. So we've made a big departure from traditional reporting methods. For instance, we try to steer away from Excel list type reports. It's more intuitive than the current reporting environment. I think the key differentiator of the new reports is the design of the reports themselves. We've put a lot of thought into how they are laid out, and we also put a lot of thought into how we display the information and which visualization techniques we use. Things like inline spark lines. We've got approximately 25 different chart types that we use. There's no restriction anymore on date ranges, which is a key shortcoming of our previous offering.
Two of the new features that MiX Insight have now is a very fresh look with blurbs, thumbnails and icons that is self-explanatory to the user of what the reporting section is all about. The new MiX Insights also got the ability to run two reports at the same time, so that you can compare, say for example, detailed reports versus summary reports and do comparisons on the data that's been retrieved.
Two other interesting features are that when we deploy reports now, there's no downtime for the users. We can deploy reports real time, and because of the technology that we've used, we can offer now report customization as a service.
The MiX Insight warehouse is basically another database that we pull all the data out of the live systems. We manipulate it to make it easier for reporting purposes, and then we store it into the central database.
The amount of data that we have in the warehouse, actually a few billion records that is already in the data warehouse.
At the same time, we were able to use a lot of the cool new features of SQL 2008 to store things like the spatial data types.
So what that means is you'll be able to analyze your information by things like country, town and suburb, whereas you're not just looking at longitude and latitude like our typical competitors do. We engaged our customers about a year ago, and after a number of surveys and site visits, we came up with the initial design, specifically to let the people see the answers in a more visual way.